Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your screen timeout to infinite for your Samsung Galaxy M23. So if we go to the settings and check our display and find the screen timeout, the maximum timeout is 30 minutes. To change that to infinite, we'll need to download the app from the Google Play Store, and it's called Caffeine. It's this app. We're gonna press install. After it's done, click on the open button. Don't show again. Go to timeout infinite setting, and from here you can change your timeout to infinite or any of the numbers here. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.